Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. This video is going to be for our hopefully get it started tonight, the latest penny start auction where 100% of the proceeds will benefit HDSA, Huntington's Disease Society of America. This is a park lighter. To give you some background, the Park Company began, I believe, in Springfield, Illinois, way back, and was bought by a New Jersey company and moved to Murfreesboro, Tennessee, which is the stamp on the marking on the base of this lighter. I believe sometime around 1960. This particular lighter is an advertising lighter for Romar Pipe and Rail Company. I don't know anything about Romar Pipe and Rail Company. The case of the lighter is very nice, very good condition. Most of the Park lighters of this era appear to be aluminum, both in the case of the lighter and the material that the inserts are constructed of. This case is in very good condition. I'm not sure if it's chrome or what the plating or process is there, but it's sort of like a brushed chrome Zippo where you can see the grain there, but then on the sides it's more smooth. There's a windscreen with a different color. I don't know how common that was. There were no markings on the insert. Usually they will say Park or Park Sherman. This insert also, rather than having cotton wadding, has a foam insert, which I'm not crazy about, but it seems to do an okay job of retaining the fuel. A lot of times these inserts will have plastic screws, and this one does not. These inserts are also very bad about clinging to degraded flint and not wanting to drill them out. So I don't know if it's something about the aluminum. But this one was, to be honest, it's been so long since I cleaned this one out, I don't remember what the issue was, but it's cleared out now, whether it was when I got it or not. Anyway, very nice example of a, I believe, 1960s park advertising lighter. And this lighter will be hopefully later tonight in the penny start auction. The username is Dependable Flame on eBay, just like the channel on YouTube, and just like the website. And so this auction will start at a penny. The last one, the one that ended earlier today for the Zippo 1956 Zippo, ended at about $33, I think, $33, $34, something like that. So that's a pretty good one. That'll all go to HDSA, Huntington's Disease Society of America, and that's something that we're very glad to do. So this one's going to start at a penny. It'll end where it ends, and hopefully we raise some money for an organization that needs it. If you like old cigarette lighters, ashtrays, tobacconana, and other useful mechanisms, then please subscribe to the channel. Like the video that you're watching. Tell your friends about the channel. Hit the share button. Send it off in an email, text, social media, however it is that you communicate with people nowadays. And let them get a look at it themselves. Comment below if you have any questions about this lighter or about the penny start auctions, or really about anything at all. Also, we would appreciate it if you would like Dependable Flame and dependableflame.com across all the social media platforms. That's Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and of course eBay. Until next time.